Tonkat Ali, and Tonkat Ali is the root of a tropical tree. Very good wood indeed.
Boom, boom.
Better than oysters?
Better than oysters any day of the week. Clinically proven to boost sex drive in men and women, to boost erectile function in men. This is a Tonkat Ali coffee that is popular in Malaysia. We're going to pour it in here and hope that it stirs in.
And by the way, while Chris is look at the root that Chris is hanging out with.
Whoa.
Yeah,
Did you eat that whole thing?
You know, I didn't eat that whole thing, but had I would have wound up in the last segment, I think.
That's impressive.
So we'll see if we feel more amorous.
Cheers. I hope you have a date tonight. All right.
Go.